Hi, how are you? I hope you all great. My name is Deepak Deshmukh. I am also great. Thank you so much. Then today I want to share one story. That's not mine story, but I read that story in the textbook of 8th standard, and I wanted to just share with you. And it is very great story, excellent, outstanding, because it gives you the best lesson for our lesson. So, without wasting our time, I am going to move to the story. That story name is The House Builder. Okay, The House Builder. Then there was a mason, means mystery, and he was working under the constructor. Once the designed by architecture or the finalized by engineer, then constructor gave the responsibility to the mason to build a beautiful house. And mason also was interested in this in his work because he loved his work, and yeah, with dedication, diligence, persistence, he gave his 100% to building house. And he made a very beautiful houses under the constructor, and constructor was very happy to see his work. And then also householders, house malik are also very great to see their houses very building very beautifully. And again, and he constructor also gave a great handsome salary to the mason to face need with these with that families. And all was going well. So Mason worked till he became a grandfather, and then he decided to spend his time with their grandchildren. And he informed the constructor to tell the uh, I am taking retirement. And um informing that information, constructor was very disappointed, disheartened, because he didn't want to lose. um, Hello, hi, sorry for disturbance. And where was I, sorry. uh, then he became a grandfather, and he wanted to spend his time with grandchildren, and that's great. And constructor was very disappointed to see this situation. And then but this mason made up his mind to retire. And then constructor convinced to mason to build a one last house. Okay. And uh, कसं mason agreed to build one last house. And then but he is not giving his 100% to building last house, because he wanted to just complete the work and retire. He didn't give any attention uh, to building houses. Before, he was very interested in his work. And he was also using the best material for building houses, high quality materials. But now he was using very low quality materials to building a house. And all that kind of things. Then and last house design was very beautiful, very outstanding design, marvelous. But because of the mason, he didn't pay any attention to building house. The house was not looking great like the design as designed by the engineer, and like that, not good finishing. Then low quality materials using. And so And then what happened? Then the house was ready before expected date. Month expected date, house is ready, and Mason informed to constructor to hand over the keys of that house, and then constructor arrived at the site of house, and he didn't go into the house, but he had one legal document in his hand, on in the constructor hands, and he with smile he said that this is the legal document for your name of this house, and this is the key for your, the conductor said to the mason. Are you understanding? So please comment me to what would you like to take lesson from that story. And I think this is a great story, and you will take the great lesson from that story. I want to share the lesson from that story, because we have to give 100% in every work. It's just not I was great, and I didn't need to do work now. I don't need to work now. I am able to do anything, and I don't want to give just 100% at any work. But if you are giving 99% to your work, you will not success. You will not get success. If you are giving 100% each and every work, you will success until become the great human being. You have to give 100% each and every work. So Mason wasn't understand the meaning, and also constructor as a gifted a house, and this house built by mason, because he didn't give any attention to the making house, building house, and this house come to the mason. So how do work, then this work back to us. That's why we have to very do work carefully. And this is a very outstanding, marvelous, excellent story that I ever read, because every in the try also we have to give our 100%. Okay, it's just not this is our last work, or it won't be great to delay that fluency of work. It is always great to give 100%. So thank you. See you soon in next video. Bye.